From minor volcanic eruptions to massive earthquakes and tsunamis, natural hazards are a continual source of interest and fascination for geographers and earth scientists. But for people all around the world, their unpredictability makes the difference between life and death. This footage shows the aftermath of the earthquake in Haiti in 2010. People had little or no warning it was coming, and 300,000 died. Many of those killed were the poorest. And natural disasters affect more economically developed countries too. In Japan and New Zealand, far fewer people die, but the cost of the damage is massive. Kobe's earthquake in 1995 caused so much damage, the expense of rebuilding contributed to a major financial crash. Just imagine what it would be like if we knew when these hazards were going to take place. Imagine how easy it would be to tell people to evacuate them from where they live, like these people in Iceland. That's what this programme's about. In it, you'll meet a volcanologist, a seismologist, a weather forecaster, a civil protection officer, and a geochemist. They're all involved in helping to monitor the Earth's behaviour, to see when movement and volcanic eruptions might occur. And by predicting when they might take place, lives can be saved, the cost of damage can be reduced, and people can even work and live in active volcanic areas.